Galaxies are clusters of planets and stars that are spread throughout the known and visible universe. Galaxies are grouped into three main types, those being spiral, elliptical, and irregular. We'll start with explaining.
Spiral galaxies are galaxies that have spiral arms at the edges with a big central bulge at the middle of the galaxy. Did you know that the spiral galaxies are most common of the three galaxies, the other two being elliptical and irregular galaxies? Most spiral galaxies are flat, rotating disks. From the side, these galaxies are indistinguishable
from elliptical galaxies. As their name suggests, have the shape of an ellipse, or an oval. These galaxies vary in size, with some being 1/10 of the size of the Milky Way galaxy, to the biggest galaxy we know of, that being IC 1101. These galaxies have features such as evenly distributed stars, with those stars being some of the oldest in our universe. These, like spiral galaxies, can collide into each other, causing them to form into
Irregular galaxies. Irregular galaxies are the one type of galaxy that tries to be quirky and have no real shape or center of gravity. But in all seriousness, there isn't much to say about this one because it's almost entirely random in appearance due to the fact that it's the product of two galaxies colliding. Now here are some facts about each type of galaxy. Irregular galaxies are always entirely random because of the fact that they are made due to colliding galaxies. The closest irregular galaxy to the Milky Way is the Canis Major Dwarf Galaxy. Elliptical galaxies are shaped more like a round football. They have stars and planets evenly spread throughout them. And finally, we live in a spiral galaxy known as the Milky Way. And the galaxy has a central bulge containing a large center of gravity, which is most commonly a supermassive black hole. Peculiar galaxies. Peculiar galaxies are, as the name suggests, peculiar. Now, by peculiar, it means that it has unusual size, shape, or composition. There is an explanation for some peculiar galaxies, though. Because of their abnormally large size, some peculiar galaxies might be interacting galaxies. Interacting galaxies are when two galaxies are too close together, which will result in them disturbing one another with their strong gravitational pulls, which will lead to them making one larger galaxy.
Starburst galaxies. No, these aren't named after the candy. These are galaxies that are rapidly forming new stars, just like how Starbursts, the candy, rapidly lose their flavor. These galaxies have a plethora of gas and dust, causing them to not look as bright as they actually are. These galaxies emit much more ultraviolet light than our galaxy, the Milky Way. These galaxies don't have a specific structure to them, as I alluded to before, but these galaxies are classified through their star formation.
A variant of spiral galaxies are barred spiral galaxies. In barred spiral galaxies are spiral galaxies that have a bar-shaped center which contain millions of stars. The bars in the middle makes the movement of the stars more different than stars in regular spiral galaxies. Many barred galaxies get destroyed while in the process of a formation, but they still regenerate and fully form. Most barred galaxies are destroyed because when they move around they merge and form with other types of galaxies such as regular spiral galaxies. That concludes this video about galaxies.
We hope you learned something new from this video, but that'll be it for now. Bye!